The error 0xc0000142 application error occurs when any program fails to start properly in Windows, usually due to corrupt system files, outdated or faulty drivers, missing or damaged DLL files, conflicting software, or incomplete software installation. So if you are facing the 0xc0000142 application error at Windows startup or while running your PC, this tutorial will guide you step by step to fix this issue. So here is the quick fix. Click on Windows button, type cmd and run the command prompt as an administrator. Please note that we are going to run some Windows command that may take some time to scan and fix the error, so patience is highly required. Once open, type the following commands: dism /online /cleanup image /scan health. Press the enter button. Once that has finished, type the next command: dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, and press the enter button. And once that has finished, type the final command: sfc /scan now, and press the enter button. Once that has finished, restart your PC and your problem should be resolved. Stay safe.